wash in Oak Harbor. We have, like, it's for Ryman and Hades. I got my stereo drums to take. Nice, cool undercarriage. And we are in this blaster. Rather than we're stuck. And these are dryer. Then we can find a pre-soak here.
Are you gonna be still now that the camera's on you?
Oh yeah, we have a lot of things. From $25,000 to $50,000. Like, we have thousands of days in the car wash. Wow, then we have that Exxon Express Pay 24261. You know, it'll be okay for that. I gotta say something for our parcel talk. Well, let's match the power of Lord Voldemort. Here, Salazar Slytherin against the famous Harry Potter. No! Your burr may have blinded the basilisk, but it can still hear you. Sisimaperio. We have a lot of great things in the car wash about these characters who's in there. What about we have a lot? Earwax and wow, lots of pre-soak. Let me check out the sunroof. It is a sunroof with the pre-soak on them over filled bubbles. Whoa, nice water. Who could do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 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 we have the 10s up to the 100. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You can see this Airjire Flyer, AIRDRYER SLOWWY. These dryers have air nozzles who can dry them. Who can bring this from River Scott, River Rich, River Dave, River Smitty, who's having a toothache on his sealant. Clear coat, 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 sealant. Spot free rinse. Well, why suffer an horrific death